In today's world, we are constantly surrounded by digital screens. Whether it's at the shopping centre, in the office, or even as we walk down the street, these screens are more than just static displays. They've evolved into intelligent, interactive platforms that communicate with us in real time. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating journey of digital signage, exploring its evolution from simple displays to the highly sophisticated AI-powered solutions that are transforming the way we engage with the world. It all began with something pretty basic: static digital displays. These early systems were nothing more than an electronic version of traditional posters or billboards. They offered limited flexibility and required manual updates, which often led to delays and outdated content. At that time, digital signage was a one-way communication tool, broadcasting messages to an audience, but without any capacity for feedback or interaction. While these systems offered a slight improvement over traditional signage, they lacked the intelligence and adaptability that today's platforms boast. But things were about to change. With the growth of the internet and networking technologies, digital signage took a significant leap forwards. Suddenly, content could be updated remotely, in real time, and across multiple locations. This opened up a whole new realm of possibilities. Now, businesses could display dynamic content like news feeds, weather updates, and even user-generated content. Screens could be centrally managed from anywhere in the world, making it much easier to control and update the information being shown. But even with this newfound flexibility, the core interaction model largely remained the same: one-way communication. Content was being broadcast to viewers, but the screens still weren't listening. The next major step came with the introduction of touchscreens and other interactive technologies. For the first time, digital signage was no longer a passive experience. Audiences could now interact directly with the displays. They could navigate menus, search for products, or even play games, offering a whole new level of engagement. The interaction also provided businesses with a valuable tool: data. Every tap, swipe, or selection could be tracked and analyzed to gain insights into customer behavior. What were people looking at? What were they interested in? This marked the beginning of digital signage's shift from simply broadcasting information to gathering it. And then came the intelligence. The integration of AI into digital signage has been a game changer. These systems are no longer just displaying content. They're adapting to their environment and responding to individual users. AI-powered signage can analyze factors like the demographics of people passing by, the time of day, and even the weather, adjusting the content accordingly. Imagine walking by a digital screen in a shopping centre on a cold, rainy day. Instead of showing a generic ad, the screen might show you promotions for warm clothing or a cozy cafe nearby. This level of personalization creates a more relevant, engaging experience for the viewer, and ultimately leads to higher conversion rates for businesses. AI doesn't just enhance the content being shown, it also improves the performance of the digital signage network. Through machine learning, these systems can optimize everything from content scheduling to screen brightness based on real-time data, ensuring that the right message is delivered at the right time. As intelligent digital signage gathers more data, it becomes more powerful. Retailers, for example, can use data from signage systems to refine their marketing strategies, adjust store layouts, or even personalize customer interactions. The data collected from these interactions provides insights that are deeper and more precise than ever before. But with great power comes great responsibility. Businesses must be mindful of privacy concerns. Whilst consumers appreciate personalized experiences, they are also becoming more aware of how their data is being used. It's essential for companies to be transparent about the data they collect and how they use it, ensuring customer trust is maintained. Yodeck is the first and only intelligent digital signage, and it was built specifically to help customers take their communications to the next level. No matter who your audience is, it's safe to assume we'll light up at the prospect of greater personalization, interactivity, and customer service. So, what does the future hold for digital signage? We are only scratching the surface of what's possible. As AI and machine learning technologies continue to evolve, digital signage will become even more intelligent, adaptable, and immersive. One area to watch is the integration of AR and VR. Imagine walking into a store and being greeted by a digital display that offers you a personalized shopping experience. You could try on virtual clothes, view products in 3D, or even interact with a virtual sales assistant. The lines between the physical and digital world are blurring, and intelligent signage is at the forefront of this transformation. We are also likely to see even deeper integration with the Internet of Things. Digital signage will be able to communicate seamlessly with other smart devices, creating a unified and interactive experience for users. The evolution of digital signage has been nothing short of remarkable. From static displays to intelligent AI-powered systems, these platforms have become indispensable tools for businesses and an integral part of our daily lives. As technology continues to evolve, the possibilities are endless. Digital signage is no longer just a tool for displaying information. It's becoming an interactive, intelligent, and deeply integrated part of the world around us. As we look towards the future, one thing is certain. Digital signage will continue to shape how we engage with the world in ways we can only begin to imagine today. Start your journey at yodeck.com today.